Hello everyone, welcome to another course in another lesson in discourse analysis. Today we're going to talk about information structure and thematic structure. This is our 10th lesson in discourse analysis. So basically information structure, these are very important notions in discourse analysis. And information structure is about how speakers arrange their information. How speakers arrange the information in their message. It is natural for the shared message to come before the one not known to the learner. So when we talk about information structure, we have two things here. We have the given and we have the know. The shared message is usually found at the beginning of the clause and it is called the given information. So we have a clause or a sentence. This sentence is divided into two parts. The first part, the beginning, is the given information. And the second one, the other information, is the focus of the speaker's message and it is referred to as the new. So the rest of the sentence is called the new information. So the new and the given information make up the information structure of the clause. So the given information is the information that is known to both the speaker and the hearer. It is usually taken for granted that the hearer knows the information. So for example, you say to someone, my cousin is traveling to Canada next week. So this means that this person you are talking with knows who your cousin is. So he knows uh, your cousin. That's why you assume from the beginning that he knows. So my cousin is the given here. Okay, my cousin is traveling to Canada next week. We have two parts of this sentence. My cousin, which is the given, and you are going to see the rest. So the speaker assumes that the hearer knows who the cousin is. So the speaker does not have to mention the name or use any descriptive terms. You cannot say, for example, my cousin John or Muhammad or any name, because the person you are talking to, the hearer, already knows about your cousin. The new information is the rest of the clause. It is called new because it is unknown to the hearer or reader. So for example, you say my cousin is traveling to Canada next week. The new information here is traveling to Canada. That's the information that you want to convey, not my cousin. Okay, so my cousin is something that is shared between the hearer and the speaker. They both know it, but the information is the fact that he is traveling to Canada. So that's the new. Now this is for the information structure, but thematic structure refers to the organization of the message in the clause. A special status is given to one part of the clause, which is called the theme, and the other part is called the rhyme. Okay, so we have theme and rhyme. Theme, the element which serves as the starting point for the message. Holiday 1985. Holiday 1985 asserts that the theme is what the clause is all about. The theme assumes the first position in the clause. For example, the Prime Minister of the UK was born in New York. Okay, so the Prime Minister of the UK, that's the theme. It is a starting point for the message. You start with it. Okay, it comes first. What about the rhyme? The part of the clause in which the theme sorry. So it's the theme with E. The part of the clause in which the theme developed. It is every other part of the clause apart from the theme. So the rhyme is the part of the clause that contains the real message of the clause. So this is just like what we said with information structure when we have the given and the new. Here the theme is the starting point. It is the first part of the clause, but the rhyme is the second part of the clause, and it is the clause or part of the clause that contains the real message, the thing that you want to convey. So for example, the Prime Minister of the UK was born in New York. That's the rhyme. Was born in New York is the rhyme here. I'm going to change it into green. So the Prime Minister of the, if we say to someone the Prime Minister of the UK, this is the information that you assume or that is known for both, that is known by the speaker and the hearer. Okay, but what's the rhyme or the information that you want to convey? The real message is that he's born in New York. So we can look at this. These look the same with the information section. We talked about the given. So the given here is like the theme, and the new is like the rhyme. So these are very important notions that you need to know about in discourse analysis. And I think this is it. Thank you very much, and catch you guys in the next video.